What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen. We have a special episode here today. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm a coffee snob or anything, but I like my cold brew, alright? Here's what you need to get started making your cold brew. So today we're using my favorite cold brew mechanism on the market. It is the Toddy cold brew system. Now, not gonna say this video is sponsored by our friends in Toddy, but nope, not sponsored by them. So yeah, any day now, Toddy, just let me know. Just let me know. So you may be asking, Mark, I don't even know where to start with my beans. Always buy local. And by local, I mean find your favorite coffee shop down the street that just works their tails off to bring you and the people of this beautiful world some caffeine. We got some dark matter coffee. Competition orange is the bean. This is gonna be a real nice bean right here, all right? And dark matter, if you're checking out this video, you know, slide the DMs, dude. I like coffee. And let's get grinding. Let's get these beans in the Toddy. What we're gonna do is start blooming the grounds. Pour in a circular motion. Just pour about a fourth of this guy in and just let it sink in the beans. We're gonna keep pouring the rest of the water in slowly. So from there, I just like to poke the sides a little bit with the spoon to make sure everything's covered. A couple in the middle. And then you'll see a frothy edge build up on top there. Just look at that froth. Some nice froth. Look at that froth. Dark matter, you've done it again. All we're gonna do here is grab your filter, twist it, and put the top on. Now that we are all steeped, ready to go, we're gonna leave it out in room temperature for 12 hours. Good night. Good morning, good morning. It is now time to get our coffee up and running. I am dead without my coffee, so let's get this cracking. The smell of this is just absolutely phenomenal. All you do, pull this plug, let the cold brew flow. Let's just get real nice and deep in there. Oh my Lanta, look at that brown gold, baby. We're ready to pour. Just take a glass full of ice, a little bit of water, pour and concentrate. You just pop the lid on your Toddy, put this bad boy in the fridge. You can put creamer, you can put almond milk, oat milk, whatever you want in this. I like it black. Let's try this batch out. I don't know what else to say. This is unbelievable stuff. This stuff is strong. You gotta cut it with water. Make sure it's palatable. Thank you all for tuning in today. This has been another episode of Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.